Hello, hello. I hope this doesn't cause reflection feedback, which means it makes it look like the lights are flickering. So I hope it's not going to do that, but it could. I want to show you the journal. So here we are with the cover. This is a kit by, not a kit, but digital images by Dalia at Mandalay Cards and More. She has them for sale on her Ko-fi or coffee site. And this is not one of the digitals. This is from a pack of reproduction postcards that I had. So I put that on there. I added some lace and some trim and just a little bit of my favorite stuff from Vintage Polka Dot Shop. Thank you, Emily. So, let's have a look. My fabric is from Joann's. Ribbon is old. And look at these images. Aren't they just yummy? Look at this. And I have sewn around them. So that was very fun. I thought that looked pretty nice. And then on some of them, I added a trim. And I'm calling this my All Hallows Eve. And here we have a pumpkin tag. And a pop-up card that I made with you guys. And it works! Look! Yay! Yay! So there's a little pop-up card. I'm so glad it works. Little page. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is the first Halloween journal that I have ever made. I'm not kidding you. And, you know, it is so much fun. But I also want to add something in here as I go. So I'd like to add this autumn is here on this page because I want to use these up. I might have to come back and glue them in. I believe that I'm going to keep this journal and I'm going to go back and find some pictures of my kids when they were little and put them in. And then I'm going to start using it as my place to document how many kids we get each year. We usually save our pieces of paper and we just kind of document every year, and it's just fun for us. So it would be fun to keep track of them in this book. We hand out the big candy bars. So I actually had you guys on camera with me and realized that I was like about this close to the book and you couldn't see anything I was doing unless I passed around that little portion. So anyway, I was going to make this for my pick-a-pocket, but now I've already made it, so it's not really a pick-a-pocket. So I'll refilm that. But I made this little pocket out of a little card you fold. I cut 1.5 inches off here, and then I scored this at 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. I cut a V right in here to that 1/2 inch, and a V over here to that 1/2 inch. I fold those to the back. I folded these scores to the front and glued them together and decorated it and ended up with these cute little pockets. These are the tags that I made quite some time ago on a Mixed Media Monday, or a Mixed Media Day, whatever day it was, I don't remember. So I put those in there. And then, let's see here. I have another little doodad, so let's put it in. Maybe right here. There we go. Beautiful houses. We made this little pumpkin together. It's a tag, little journaling card. And it fits right back in here. There we go. Very cute. Page. Some more lace. Another corner pocket. This is by, I don't remember. It's all listed down below. All the different, if I used any little bits and pieces from anybody else, it's listed down in the description box. So I'll let you go look for that like I did, and you'll just enjoy it. It's so much fun. Not all of the pages got dusted with ink, but I think that's okay. Page. Here is a tag that we made last week together, or maybe yesterday. I think it's coming up tomorrow, so it'll be, when you see this, it'll be yesterday. But look at how pretty that turned out. Isn't that lovely? I love it. Just adding a little cluster on there. Very pretty. So pretty. I love this. I want to go trick-or-treating here. No, you go to the door. No, you. Here's a pumpkin seed card. It's out of another. That might be Calico Collage there. But everything is listed below. I just added a white page on here, or a cream colored page, so there could be some documenting on this page. I left this one as is to go with the card, but I added this little torn element here on the card, and I really love how that turned out with the thick paper and gluing several layers together and then tearing it. It really turned out nice. And then inside here we have a I thought that was cornet, but that's not. That's something else. So there's that. I love those envelopes. Nice job, Dalia. And they might be from Studio Around the Corner, the advertisements. Belly band is from Dalia. Just a little tuck spot. And then here's some more cards that we added a few little clusters to. And this one ended up with a little snippet. How cute. Isn't that fun? Yep, just a little snippet across there. I love that. And this is the spelling book for the kitty. Spells, and we need to put spelling down here. Spelling. I know that I have a black ink. Let's look. I have a gold ink. Well, I'd probably never get that one going. Brush pen, no. Okay, let's see if this one's working. Okay, spells. Spells. Spelling. There we go. So we have spells, spelling book. And there we go. So spells can learn how to do his spelling. So there we go. We got that done. Thank goodness. It's just a little booklet to write in. To do your own spelling, you can write on the black paper with a white pen or on the white paper with a black pen. Either way works great for me. Okay, so now we're going back this other way. So we have another, you're my favorite pick. It's a pear. And, you know, winter time, fall is a good time to get pears because they're much more ripe. We've got a couple of tickets here in this little pocket with some thread. And page. And we'll need one of these on here. There we go. And then I have one more here, but it looks like, oh, it's supposed to look that way. Never mind. I'm making it up. Here we have our little book of writing, our little caskets, and then we have in here the little bat that flies out, and you can write on the bat too. And then we have another one of these pop-up cards. Woo! Don't get scared, it's a ghost. Little pocket there. And then last but not least, we have a junk journal and a couple of tags. So there you go. That is my hour journey through the vintage Halloween journal, the Whimsical vintage Halloween journal. And we didn't use this. We'll use it on when I make a card. So there we go. What do you think? A lot of fun, wasn't it? Thank you so much, Dalia. This was a blast. I absolutely loved making it. It is, like I said, the first Halloween journal I've ever made. So it was a lot of fun for me to do this. And gosh, I sure appreciate you sending me some things to do. If you want to do that again, let me know. I'm available to advertise your kits. It's just too much fun. There we go. We can even that out. All right. Thank you for joining me today, and I will be back tomorrow with Pick a Pocket, and I hope you'll join me then. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.